What is going on, everybody? Welcome to day 43 on the path to $30,000 a month. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I am posting this late. Once again, my buddy was in town and I went to go barbecue with him and a couple buddies, so I apologize for this video coming out late. But I am here and I'm consistent, and so I am dropping this video still. It is 9:43, but I don't care. I have to be on top of this because I know that this is very important to be consistent, and in every single video that I create, I really want to put in value and show you the ins and outs in business, and also the fact that being consistent is the key to success. Taking action and consistency are the two things that have helped me get to where I'm at today. And no, I'm not where I want to be exactly, but it has helped me get in the right direction. So I just want to start off with that. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur, and for the past few years, I've been working and running businesses and finally figuring it out. And so I am here to show you all the ins and outs in business. So here I am laminating stickers, and I'm also de-weeding decals at the same time, because you gotta multitask, I guess, when you got multiple products. But you do what you gotta do when you're one employee. This is what you gotta do. So here I am now putting the stickers into the packages, getting these ready to get shipped out to the customers. It was a pretty busy day. It's Monday, so I had a lot going on. And I just want to say thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, seriously, you guys are amazing. We hit 1,300 subscribers, which is mind-blowing. It's been less than 2 months, and I've gained hundreds of subscribers, so thank you so much. I am cutting out some vinyl here. I just wanted to change it up a little bit and show you guys what the cutter machine does. These were a pain. I guess the cutter machine, on day 40, I think, when I replaced the blade, it was really difficult. I was cutting through the vinyl too deep. Now I'm barely cutting in, and so these are really hard to de-weed. So as you can see, even in time lapse, this is very difficult to de-weed. So I appreciate you watching. But anyways, I have a few more of these, and then basically that is it. But yeah, I don't know. These were very difficult, and I struggled, but I got them done. And these were the last things I had to package up. I also need to get new packaging. As you can see, I'm cutting mine up from a 48-inch to like 7 inches per package. All right, packages are getting shipped out right now to UPS. I'm going to the gym, and then, yeah, so this is the end of the video. Let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so on eBay, we made $29.84, so a little bit more than the day before. And so we actually made $486 on Amazon yesterday, which is not bad, but not great. So yesterday's total was $516. And so we were at $8,681. We need to be at $13,000, which we're not too far off, honestly. We're almost at 9. So, I mean, I think we're going to get there. I think it's just going to take a little bit more time for those mug boats to get in, and I really think we could hit 30K this month. So if you enjoyed this video, or you enjoy videos like this, I make a video like this every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I would love to see you guys. I would love to see you guys' comments and positivity. I love all of the people that are already doing that. But if you're someone like that, please subscribe down below. I would love for you to follow me on this journey and to $30,000 a month. So I hope to see you all tomorrow. Happy Monday to you all, and I will see you guys Tuesday for day 44. Peace out.